Hello, my Simply Simona family. Welcome back to another one of our lovely videos. Well, family, my husband and I are back on Camp Gyra. I'm so happy to be back. I know I've been going for about, what, 2 weeks? A little over 2 weeks, but y'all seen that our daughter got married. So now she is Mrs. Golding, yes. And we have a new son. We have a new family now, which is just amazing. God is so good. Everything turned out so perfectly for the wedding, even though she didn't really have a coordinator, y'all. When I tell you, I did the coordinating, I did the decorating, I was the baker, my husband cooked the food. I mean, it was just a lot, but I am so happy that it is finally over. And I only got two more to get out of the way, my two boys. But yeah, so anyways, you guys, I have a great video for you today. We are actually getting more storage for our solar. Yay! So this video is brought to you by Vatrer. Yes, I don't know why I always get tongue-tied saying that. But anyways, my husband is going to show you guys how to get this battery installed. And you guys, we really just need more storage. So we're so thankful. Thank you so much, Vatrer. So let's head on off to the store and get the cords. They do already come with cords, but we just want to stick with what we've already installed the other ones with. So we are going to head on off to the store to get the cords. All right, so what we here to get, honey, the wires?
Yeah, there's just a couple 6-gauge jumper wires to connect the new battery
Okay.
into the existing battery. So figure I'll just come in and grab them.
All right.
All right, so we're back at the orange store now. So the solar guy suggested that we go with the whole system of 2-gauge wire. Previously, it was 2-gauge, which was the power going into the power. And then from that, it was the 6-gauge. But he suggested that we go all the way with 2-gauge to complete the full loop of power.
All right, fam. So we are back on the homestead.
Yep.
Got our Vatrer battery right here.
Looking forward to this.
Yes.
It's our third Vatrer battery, lithium 4800 volt. We're going to get this puppy unpacked. I'll tell you what, they package these things really nice. We haven't had one come damaged yet. You can tell they take good quality and care of their products. Mm-hmm. So, like I said, we're going to get this unpacked, get it hooked up, and in the famous words of Tim the Two-Man Taylor, more power. More power, Al.
I think these are stickers.
Yeah, stickers, great.
Okay. So they come with some Vatrer stickers, which is super nice. And there's your manual.
Gotta appreciate that packaging, cased all the way around, not flimsy.
Mm-hmm.
Very impressive, nice.
And also these nice handles. Oh, these handles are different.
Huh?
These handles are different than the other one. The ones that we have.
Well, this is on the back side.
No, this one don't have them. This one has these ones.
Oh, they go, okay.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah. We were a little confused because we thought we were getting the exact same battery, but it's relatively the same battery. Same system as this. This may be a newer version, which is pretty cool.
Yes.
This one has the interface in the front, but terminals and everything is pretty much still the same. Still 100 amp hours. All right, let's see what we got here. It's maybe a charger or some hardware. I'm not sure. Okay, this appears to be the hardware. Comes with some cables. All right, so we got a little hardware packet here. This appears to be 6-gauge. Actually look a little thicker. I'm not sure. I have to find out what gauge this is. But we just came from the orange store from buying some. I wish I would have looked at that first. I probably wouldn't even bought them.
I always take them back.
All right, we got a mounting bracket here. And we got the identifiers for your negative and positive. So I'll look at the manual, read up on it a little more, and then it's showtime, see what we got. I'm not an electrician, but I'm, after my studying and inquiring, probably just going to move this power wire. When I set the battery on top of here, I'll just move the power wire up a notch, and then just kind of follow the same loop in which they already had it set in. So shouldn't be that difficult for me. All right, I'm going to set the battery on top of the other batteries. You can tell it's built really nice and well in the iron case. So we're going to set it up top. Eventually I'll get the actual cabinet to house all the batteries. Give it a much cleaner look, but this will do for now.
Okay, so what I'm going to do for right now, you guys, I have these 2 pieces of wood because I think you don't ever really want to set battery on battery. So we're going to separate it by putting these 2 pieces of wood in. All right, and then he'll come through with his saw and cut the extra pieces off of there.
All right, so I'm going to move the power wire up to this terminal, and then I'm going to connect my power terminal here to here. So I'll move that up now. And we did power the whole system down. That's just the fan running, but we did power it down to be on the safe side. All right, now I'm going to have to go inside and measure my distance from here from the 2-gauge wire I just picked up at the store. So I had to make up my own jumper wires. This is the 2-gauge wire I got from the store today. I'm missing a couple more end pieces. I'll have to go back and get those. But this is the 2-gauge wire I picked up today. For some reason, I feel like it should be much thicker, but this is the one the Ace store say they had.
I even said that when we were there.
But it say it's 2-gauge. It say 2-gauge is 2-gauge. So this is the jumper wires I made, and I had a diagram on my phone, so I'll kind of use those to jump all 3 batteries. And it should be in the same loop as far as forming the electrical loop. So I'm going to come here to here.
Yeah, those wires are much, more stiff.
Very sturdy. This is the jumper that they sent me. This is actually 4-gauge. I'm going to use this for now, just for the tester, but I'm going to, when I get some new connectors tomorrow morning, I'll switch it over. But this will get me up and running tonight. So this here is the battery charger if you want to charge it from your generator or anything like that. So we'll move this up top here and we'll connect that. We'll have that connected like that.
All right, family. So my husband got the Vatrer battery all installed. Yay! So let's go ahead and talk about all of its features, functions. This battery is amazing. All right, family. So the actual name for this battery is the Vatrer 48V 51.2V 100Ah Server Rack Lithium Battery. It has high capacity energy storage. It delivers a robust 5.12 kilowatt capacity with 5,120 watt power output, which is equivalent to 4 12-volt 100 amp hour LiFePO4 batteries in series. Ideal for solar, RV, or off-grid systems. And family, this Vatrer battery has a very long lasting cycle life. And it offers over 5,000 cycles at 100% debt discharge. Outstandingly outlasting lead acid batteries, which have about a 300 to 500 cycle. And you can't beat this battery's smart monitoring technology. It features a large touchscreen and Bluetooth app for real-time monitoring. And to top it all off, it supports up to 10 parallel connections.
All right, family, I just wanted to show you guys this really cool feature on the battery app. If you come here on the actual battery, you can download the QR code right there. Real quick and easy to download and get set up on your phone. From there, you can monitor your battery life, monitor how you got your particular battery set up parallel or not, monitor the heat on the battery, and just manage if it's charging or not. Really cool features. You know, I was looking at some batteries online the other day, and for the price that these are, it's a home run.
Yes.
Especially when you're on a budget and a do-it-yourselfer. I highly recommend this company. And I'm not just saying that because they sponsored us. The price point that this battery is, very reliable, good battery, especially for the budget-friendly do-it-yourselfer.
Great quality. We have had no issues out of this battery, or out of these batteries, since we've had them. And how long has it been now? I know over a year.
Yeah, for the other two, but this one is new, so more to come. Like, our whole system will be built by this, whether they sponsor or not. So
yeah, we just want to keep the same batteries. All right, family. Well, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. We thank Vatrer once again. They supplied all 3 of our batteries for our solar system, and we are beyond grateful.
Absolutely.
Actually, great batteries, you guys. So anyways, you guys, we will see you probably, sorry about all the wind. Sorry about, like I said, before my wig falls off, y'all, before it blows off. We will see y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.